Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hi, I hope all of you are doing awesome. This is Mel. Today we're going to try out this Ben's original ready rice. This is rice pilaf and made with Ojo pasta. So this is rice and pasta mixed together, and we're going to try it for the first time. I'm making it for my friend Lola. She's going to have this one. So I'm just going to do a review for this. I made this one quite a few times before, and it seems like it tastes okay. So I'm just going to make this. So I have the rice pilaf in it, and I'm heating up in a pan, and I'm going to add a little bit of water, just a sprinkle so it doesn't get stuck at the bottom. And my non-stick pan has a little touch of oil so it doesn't get stuck at the bottom. And this one is really plain, it doesn't have much of a spice flavor, so I'm just going to add some spice. I'm adding a little bit of turmeric, a little bit of vegetable masala, garam masala and cilantro leaves, but no salt because it has enough salt already. So I'm just going to toss it around and give you the final look. So this is the final look. This is how it looks like. I added a little bit of spice and cilantro leaves to it. Originally it's okay, but it doesn't have too spicy taste, so I like it spicy, so I added some garam masala and some vegetable masala, a little bit of turmeric, and no salt. It has plenty of salt, and some cilantro leaves. You can add other things if you wish. So this is the final look. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.